Hello everybody. If you have one of these Pool Defender water bonding and corrosion protection systems and you're here on this website, chances are you're looking for a new sacrificial zinc anode and you're confused about what you need. Before you replace it, you can scrape off all this gunk and get down to bare zinc and also use a wire brush. There is a discussion on the internet that metal wire brush might contaminate the zinc, but I use a metal wire brush and a pick, and then as the final step I use a piece of sandpaper to eliminate any traces of the metal that may have been left behind by the brush. The manufacturer suggests replacing the anode when 50% of the material is gone. These anodes new are about 1 inch in diameter. Hopefully this video will clear up any confusion from conflicting information you're going to find on the internet as you shop for a replacement anode. I do not see any part numbers on my Pool Defender, but the compact version is on the left, the original deluxe is on the right. Notice the original deluxe, the copper wire comes out the top, and on the compact, the copper wire actually comes out the bottom. Here's a chart from the manufacturer's website. This part number is not correct for the new compact version. This seller incorrectly states 4-inch bar for the -200 part. The same seller also incorrectly shows the -400 part is 2-inch. Here are the correct part numbers. You want the -200 if you have the original deluxe model with a copper wire on top, and you need the -400 part for the compact model with the copper wire coming out the bottom. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.